Hello, brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. E get some advice wey I wan still tell my brothers dem. My brothers dem, this Facebook or something don catch fire. Anything wey una just get for family house, una just carry am come Facebook. Kpakara. Anything at all, your wife do this one o, your husband do this one o, una go carry am go Facebook. Una no get family? Una no get family at home? Una dey fool una sef, una dey think say una dey fool other people. Na una sef una dey fool. Like this man now wey go Facebook, go dey talk say na so him wife leave am for hospital. You no get family? The time wey you wan go marry am, you no see him family? Something don happen. No be say I say the woman do good o. I no say the woman do good. But no be wetin una go carry come Facebook come dey talk. This one na family matter. Family matter, you go call the father, call the mother. If you no get father, you go get brothers, you get sister dem. Una go talk am. Because you dey disgrace yourself. You dey disgrace your children. This kind thing no good. E no good. As you don talk am now, you dey think say na the woman na you fool. Any woman no phone na. Nobody wey no get you. Even person wey still put you for that Facebook make dey talk you. Iyo na orere, ovuon. Make una dey respect una self. I know say you dey vex, my brother. I know say na vex na make you go there. But make you no do am again, abeg. You carry your wife picture, you put for there. See your children go grow tomorrow. All this kind thing una dey do, more una dey reason before una dey do am. More una dey think twice. Una get children. You say 3 children na e born for you. Which kind thing be this one? You get family for us. The woman get. If marriage finish, good. Everybody go do your. She go her own. You go your own. You go find another girl. She go find another person. Why not go carry am come Facebook? Facebook, as you carry am go there now. Person wey know your children, you go dey use am take dey laugh am. Ije ohoni na we olelolokpia. You not think before you go that Facebook go dey carry dey go. Whether you go your honeymoon, the time where you go pay for the woman head, not be family you see for there. Your family not follow you go there. Why you not call them? Say, see wetin dey go on for this side. See as this woman they do. Make they tell you say, make you come home, make we come talk am. Uwa muarie Facebook. Why one name? Why muarie Facebook? Wagarie why muarie Facebook? Not ba be muarie Facebook. We there no why or that finye or mare inye or na agbenye ne name not ba or be muarie Facebook. Wait till they happen. Wa lu enwe wa lu e. Una no dey use sense. Anything at all. Be like so una no get family for us. Una just carry and put for Facebook. This my dey vex for you. Where? I know say you dey angry. Wetin the woman do you? Say you dey hospital, leave you for there. I know the woman no do am good. But now you can't do the one way worse pass. When no wake gbese. When you know say you get children, the woman self, that one know say you get children, he leave you for hospital, he not do wetin good. But you as you can still do am, he not good at all. We want to make the whole world, we see wetin dey happen. Family where we disgrace in that woman. If you don't know, make I tell you now. Do we mind? If you don't know now yourself, then you disgrace for them. Many people go dey clap for you, say you do am well, you just explode the woman. Not be so. No wa gbari emi you women ne. Una wa mo Facebook. Wa be lu sense. No digwe bie igba hanu we. Una wa mo Facebook. Uma set is you we. Na nu me na. O salo ba ogewe. May you say this thing we go talk am for Nigeria. You just carry go Facebook. No na dey use sense. This Facebook not be the one where they disgrace ourselves. Especially we Bini. Anything at all we go carry and go Facebook. You no total ku when no be hama we tire na this woman na ashawo na nemi. All we you wa. All women na ashawo. Aga biere ga ni awo bie full current. Aga bie wo awo ye obi ashawo. Abi na no hear that one before. You wey put woman for us. You go dey curse another woman. You not get respect. You not get respect at all. If you get respect for your own woman where you there for your house, you not go to insult another woman. If once the man call report to you, you go tell her say this kind thing. Now Nigeria, now they for the discuss all this kind thing. Not have a Facebook. You carry the man sit down. You say make it they talk in your family. Why you know they talk your own? You wait carry that man sit down for them. Why you not go come and make you come still talk your own? I'm your manero egbe. I'm your no mamie. I come here the doctor. Waiting, make una suffer. I don't know the woman not do well. You the man, you not do well. Boy, when I the worst is saying, huh? Okay, can I read ya benar won't ah when I do the bay when na family well keke family do me na mio ana mio wo because when we type Facebook na everybody your word don ya mio ni all of them don see am na you na dey complain o ma mudia o ma zi egbe na ri ya benar won't you for wait wetin be all this thing. If marriage finish, everybody do you go your own, she go her own. Which kind carry if picture go they put for there, and the woman will born for you, not be say now your girlfriend, now so you eat your money or this one this. Waiting. Even the house where you say you build for her, now for your children when and when, one of the use sense, common sense, una not sabi use. If una not see person where they have vessel now, make una find person make go they have vessel now. Not be any small thing una carry on self on Facebook. Woman go carry your husband come, and the other one, now the man wanna go the report to, now you go come settle now. What? The man wanna go the report to, now you go come settle now. They disgrace to us. They disgrace now for them. This one will come call. Now so it's supposed to they do. Now they be your family. Where go judge you? I mean, they be your lawyer. You not go sit down, make you think This man they vex for you really. I not say wetin your woman to say do am well. Wazin gbe nu gari ria bene. The thing vex you now make you come out. You for not go there. You for call the family. You for call the family. Even don't say make you curse them, make you insult them. They go know say na wetin their daughter do you, na pay you, na make you curse them. Abemi o na emi a. Abemi o they we born na madre na. O ma not tell la dia. Ata wa o madano. Many people they will get their out for their body. They know they talk and come out. Even that one where they curse woman all the time. Then you go they give your problem. Make her help you. Okay, as you talk and now you say make he help you. I be may do waiting. As you go tell her now, you go tell her say may help you. I be may narrate you. I'm about boma monaka boma or naka boma. Waiting. One they behave well. All these our Benin people. One they behave well. Not be alone at there for Facebook. The woman do this one, do this one, do that one. Even though say even as you talk now, we not here for the woman mat, and we not even care to hear. Now inside house, now not supposed to talk all this thing. Not the one when I will carry on Facebook now, call the use and say they disgrace on herself for them. Now they disgrace on herself. What have it na English? Not say they talk and we be do that. What what do I tell the English wayata? Why hamed yo war? Abe manene ununeze do. Ni ameke na enu wata. Why they don't when waje do ya tie? Ebo wayata. Which kind thing be this one? Omo nu wayata mani. Oho no wo kan egbe wo wa na mi wo kan ami e name you. Or when no mi dey no do mo Facebook no do tamo wa. Make una reason. It be like say na be una God. Waiting. This what it happen. The man said he's supposed to use sense. It's not the way happen like they go call the man say, my brother, as you talk this thing, so I know if you put on for Facebook. May we call their family. Call your family. May we settle on for house. Not be waiting that they put for Facebook. Picking don't they 3 children you say born for you. The man not even use sense. That man say he go put you for Facebook. Mona call the listing. He go put you for Facebook. As the man wey go talk say why do this one, as you get blame, person wey you say you consider me, you can't tell people. Now so that one get blame. Waiting, you say you be big person. You know they use your brain, You know go use your brain. Una get children, una get children. Anything wey you do today, if they wait you for front tomorrow. That kind of thing where you do that to your wife, when you don't call say na your wife. You don't know say go affect your children before you go for Facebook. Abi you not know, person not tell you. Make una know the reason before na they do anything. Una the reason, make una dey think. Make una do think. Iya wa ye me gbe ya to lo me aya to lo wa to lo boloa. Uzi egbe o saba we say oladi hospital. Then you go tell the family say, see wetin this your daughter do me. Even though say as you call the family, you insult them. You get let your bonne ya we. Then you know em not that with the meds or see or not your bonne ya. Or we might tell you, you just carry the picture, put it for Facebook. You they disgrace yourself. Then they call your wife. Now see your wife. Una never divorce. Now see your wife. Then they call her shawo. You know the shame. You know the shame. Wetin that I no even know where una sense dey sef. Be like say dey under una feet. Huh? Why una no dey use sense? The time una take play, una take enjoy, una take call dali. You no even remember how that one. Huh? I no say the woman do good or the woman no do good. He no do good at all. Leave your husband for hospital. Even though say you see another man say you want marry, say na that man love, na him dey kill you. You go wait first make your husband first come house. If you don't call house, my husband, this friendship, you know go again. I want me stop like this. Problem not there. You go carry your leg, waka go where you want carry go. Not be say you go leave your husband for hospital. I not say the woman do good. The woman not do good at all. But you man, now you can just worst. When I do the hour. When I the hour, you not do well at all. I beg my brother. May you not let this kind of thing happen again. I beg. I use God to beg you because of your children. Like say the woman not even born for you now. I go the year. I go say, which kind nonsense be this one? Person wey don't born for you, 3 children. Your children they grow tomorrow. You know what they go tell you? If they see that video, you know what they go tell you? Even though say their mother don't dey wrong. What they go tell you? You not go believe your eye. You allow other people they call your wife say na shower. You allow other person they call your wife wey born for you. Wey born 3 children for you. You allow them make they call her say na prostitute. You know what you do for them? You feel talk and say na because of you dey very very sad. What you do? My brother, no be so. No be so. Me una dey use sense. No be so. Na say still be for our women. Wey go dey report their self, their husband for person wey una no know at all. Just say the person dey do program. Ejeme, una too wa wetin? Una wa dingbe. Wa report me the man hand to settle ogwa. Oh, the other settle one, other settle no one. Why any family? Abi why any gbe? Odo no wa bia na any gbe. Mona the shame Mona the shame. Me wa ekwe wa mu me no wa abi ngwa na overi oni. Ekwe wa mu me. Abi agene na mu go ju won. The man wey na go the report for Facebook. The man dey there. Egbu we no. O ma no ma seti dologeji mo gwa fo. O kan do dolo wu weji. Yen ata mu yen ko so gin yen no ri yen gbe hen ta mu we. Uya total, uya ninyewe. You go they talk your own. See what they happen. He put on for 1,000 people where they watch. Make they see what they happen. Now advice. Now you supposed to give. As you go there, go tell you say my brother. This thing, you know if you put on for Facebook. Not one. May we call the man not even call the family of the woman. May you call your family. Mona say, I bet this thing where they happen. Mona say turn with for them. No, you say may you call Facebook. May you call talk. You know see say common sense is not common. You know see say common sense they not get. I beg, I use God say beg una. Make una the reason, make una they think before now they do something. Now that one I just get where I want to come to because me be woman. If love finish, not be task. You go your own, I go my own. May you remember the time when I take play. Now only that one I get. And me una no use una bad luck when I get. Take spare una children. Una children. Una no use them. I beg, I dey beg una because all this kind of thing no be wetin good. Love don't finish good. May una use cool mind. Take settle. Take go. This one go in peace. This one go in peace. Everybody go do your life. You go change your own life. This one will change your life. Marriage not be forever. If he finish today, if he finish tomorrow, not be forever. Some people they where they marry forever. So they the love don't tire and enough it again. You go say no, enough it. I don't they love another person. You go destroy your own. You go. Me they beg una. Me una they use sense. Mona they use sense. You put money for a head or you not put money for a head or if the marriage say one break, it don't break. It go come out. Now so it still be for the man. If the man no want, he not love you again, he go come out. Make una use sense. Sense. I beg. You put the man Facebook, the man picture. You put the woman picture. Waiting, my brother. I know say they pay you, but you for think before you do that thing. That person where you say may you put. That person where say may you put their picture. You know even get advice where go tell you. May tell you say not do one like this. May una go discuss am for us. I bet now this one is the small advice where I get for una from untouchable mama. Remain blessed. I hope say all of una go get sense when I know they carry on a matter they go Facebook. Mona they talk am for his house. Bye bye to everybody. Bye.